Hi.
Wish you
all
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Very Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Hey, as the world bids adieu to 2020, I wish everybody a happier and healthier 2021, even though the coronavirus still looms around.
Hi, wishing everybody a very happy new year. I hope this new year 2021 brings a lot of health, happiness and prosperity.
I know that a lot of us have not been able to meet physically in 2020 because of COVID, and I really miss meeting our clients, our teammates, stakeholders, OEMs, and I really sincerely hope that we get to see you a lot sooner now. If we talk about business, the last year we had some major successes. We closed one of our biggest transactions for us. Not only the transactions, we even went ahead and adopted to new ways of selling. We had thousands of online transactions. People chose online as a medium. And with these new ways of selling, we have been able to achieve our numbers, and I think hopefully we'll end the year on a high as compared to what we had anticipated back in April 2020. But the bigger challenge lies in sustaining those numbers and working on the same model again.
If we talk about the future, I remember when people were waiting for the vaccine, they were talking about how the recovery will look like. There were a lot of theories around that. Will it be like a V-shaped recovery or a W-shaped recovery? In my personal opinion, it should be a K-shaped recovery, where I personally feel a lot of organizations will go up from here, and maybe some industries and some organizations may go down. So I feel personally proud that we are part of that growing up trajectory, and the future really looks bright for us.
In these odd times, my heart goes out for people who, especially our teammates who have been out in the front battling it out. A lot of people have lost their near ones as well in the world. But what I would say that the buck doesn't stop here, right? We have to move on. That's how the world is. We can't really stop living. And I really want to thank each and every one of you who have contributed towards the growth of the organization in these tough times as well. Be it remotely, be it physically, be it even meeting clients, even when the times were tough.
In these uncertain times, we onboarded more than 600 OEMs over the year with a very small team, and OEMs were from all over the world of all shapes and sizes. And this year we are looking to quadruple that number and grow the team, get more smart folks in. Also, with the spectacular increase in traffic as well as leads, we had to have a platform for our OEMs to manage their leads, to manage their marketing campaigns, to schedule the demos, and so far the response has been good, and we want to in this year have at least 95% of our vendors on the recently launched vendor app. That's what we are aiming for.
On the buyer side of this story, this pandemic worked great for us because we have seen a surge in transactions happening at TechJockey. We have done approximately 4,000 transactions last year, looking out for 20% growth month on month on that. Side by side, we have put a lot of technology on the back end so that every transaction which happens, our back end teams work very seamlessly on that. And then we are also trying to create a platform for OEMs where they can come, because we have seen a lot of requests coming from OEMs to advertise on our platform. So we're creating a very nice platform for them so that they can come and advertise their great products on our platform.
So last year was like, I'm sure you did fantastically well, wherein in spite of all the hardships, we have done very well as a team. But still, when we see the last line, we have come so far, but there's still some mile which we have to go, and I'm sure with the team effort we'll cross that line with flying colors.
I want to thank you कि आपकी वजह से हमने जो tough time था वो हमने cross किया है. So we were doing accounting and tally, and we have moved to ERP. आपके effort की वजह से हमने ERP सक्सेसफुली इम्प्लीमेंट की है, एंड रिपोर्ट आर ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड कमिंग. इस कोविड के टाइम पे जब कोई भी टीम रिमोटली वर्क कर रही थी, हम ऑफिस में बैठ के काम कर रहे थे, एंड हमने अपने टाइम से सारी चीज़ें कंप्लीट की हैं, एंड वी आर होपिंग कि हम इसको नियर फ्यूचर में भी इसी पैशन से कंप्लीट करेंगे.
We have acquired a lot of new logos. We have built a lot of good cloud business as well. Now we are entering into the last quarter of this year, and things have been improved a lot. And I must say that whatever we have achieved in last 3 quarters, we can do more than that in this 1 quarter itself. So our strategy for this quarter is to acquire new logos with the help of partnering with lot of new OEMs like Cisco, Barracuda, Palo Alto, and so on. The other thing which is very important for us is the customer satisfaction. That is what we are looking for.
As a services business unit today, we are uniquely poised to add value to our customers. We've grown over the years, and by virtue of doing so, being among the premier system integrators, we've added to our kitty a lot of skills and competence. By virtue of the skills that we carry, customers today trust us with complex projects, rollouts, migrations. Discuss with us the challenges their IT infrastructure throws at them, and our experts and the technical team basically goes about helping them resolving these issues. Be it complex projects, migrations, rollouts, cybersecurity issues, our team is geared to handle all these challenges. Today we have 1500 plus people deployed all across the country, serving our customers. A backend that is robust to recruit the best talent, nurture them, reskill them with training, certifications, so that they add value to themselves as well as to our customers. Our approach has been throughout to be customer centric, be it a managed services portfolio where we work with our customers to put across an optimized solution, which is best in breed, which is scalable, and which helps them deliver value to the end customers.
At SISL TJ, I am proud to lead a team which comprises of deep technical skills in the areas of server, storage, virtualization, cloud, networking, security, BPM, ECM, and GIS. Through these skills, we have done some of the most complex implementations in the country across government and non-government customers. We are proud to call ourselves a uniquely placed system integrator, and you can consider us to be a one-stop solution for all your complex IT needs.
Last year was very dull mentally and physically due to COVID, but still we should take positive from last year, and I must tell you, even if the year was dull, we managed to bag few good orders and acquired new customers. In fact, we have bagged the largest order for SISL in the same year. So let us take the positive things to the next year, and I would like to congratulate and thanks all my team members and entire SISL team for their efforts, because without them we'll not be able to achieve that success.
Last year was dull, but we managed exceptionally well all the things. This year we intend to have more intensive approach or more focused approach on the business that we are targeting. We would like to focus on the services, network, and the cloud practice. SISL have been pioneer in setting up the private cloud for various government organizations. Also, we have been instrumental in migrating all the applications of Punjab government to the public cloud. So this year our focus would be on the cloud and network.
So in the network, we are planning to close 200 plus crore business in the coming financial year.
So in 2020, we have launched a couple of important projects like ACD, all new version of ACD, and then we have launched the all new customer chatbot system. हमने website में भी काफी कुछ changes करे in terms of revamp of some important crucial pages, and then some other minor projects. Now, next step that is very important is जितनी भी हमें learnings मिली, right, going forward हम इसको कैसे improvise करें, कैसे improve करें. So in 2021 it is very important to cater all the learnings that we have got in 2020 and include the same in our 2021 product roadmap.
Right. So in 2021 I think we are at a very good stage. We have internal tools in place, we have right processes in place, we have right platform, we have right features in place. Now it's time that we improvise and we take things that we have and we grow exponentially. So we'll be focusing majorly on 3 things. So one is user experience. So we would keep building, we'd keep improving our platform, we'd keep improving our internal processes, automizing things so that we deliver great user experience to a customer. And we on the other hand, we'd also work dedicatedly on improving accessibility of our platform. So currently our platform is majorly built for desktop users, but we want to improve this platform, we want to improve accessibility. So we are going to work and focus majorly on our mobile web experience. For the vendor side, for the partner side, we are also planning to launch our iOS app, build the adoption for our existing Android app. And in terms of expansion, we are also planning to go into different market and dip our toe there and see how it works for us. So yeah, for 2021, we have a lot of things in place. We are at a great stage right now, and I think we are in great position to now disrupt this industry.
Year 2020 was full of challenges and hope. Challenges in terms of sudden cultural shift. We were evaluating new methodologies and strategies for better team collaboration, stakeholder management, and managing employees remotely. Even to fight COVID, we ensured a lot of restructuring was done at the organization level. We redesigned our HR policies like Mediclaim policies just to ensure that employees' financial risk was mitigated. Hence, with all these uncertainties, we ensured at the business level and at the employee level, we ensured those were heard and acted upon. Looking at the dynamic work culture, we ensured dynamic requirements, business needs, we ensured timely recruitment was done and the payroll was processed.
It was definitely a year of challenge and hope. I totally agree. One of the strong points that came across was that we need to keep on upskilling and train our employees to the new technologies and new ways of working. This will just not add value to them, but also help us understand the new ways of working and modern ways of working rather. Along with this, something that we worked upon is the new joining and the new onboarding process. It was very, very important that these new hires understand our culture, understand our ways of working and adapt to it. Along with this, something that we totally lacked in last year was our employee engagement, and this is something that we would really love to work on. We are looking forward to have a great new year and to do a lot of activities with you guys and also celebrate new milestones that our teams will achieve. Have a great year.
Last year was quite different for all of us. Every business was trying to sustain, but TechJockey helped all of its OEM to tap 3 million plus users, and TechJockey comes out as a platform that helped other businesses to grow. One of our program called TechBandhu helped people to have 2000 plus jobs. This year we are aiming to target 10 million plus users, and this year TechJockey will be go-to platform for every other business. Let's make 2021 a year of great success for every business.
In 2020, we implemented automated call distribution and fully automated deployment system, which helped us in rapid development, QA and releases.
Along with this, we have also done automation of order punching process. Also, we have integrated analytic tool to gather more data on user behavior side.
In 2021, we plan to focus more on security, performance improvements and auto-scaling of our systems to ensure 100% uptime.
With that, we are going to improvise search engine and recommendation engine. Also, we are going to focus on mobile technologies as well.
We had some of our biggest wins this year, turnkey solutions, and now we are stepping into more complex processes, projects for coming year. Hence, we've scaled up, and that scaling up has happened with complete alignment with the sales function. So now we have dedicated pre-sales for larger bids, we have dedicated pre-sales for relevant account managers wherever they are needed, we have dedicated pre-sales for product managers, and then there is a central pool of technology experts. Then what we did to make ourselves more effective was we created a pool, and every single turnkey solution is discussed within that panel of pre-sales experts from all domains, so that we can get more perspective. This entire year that has gone by was one race for us to respond to opportunities with better accuracy and turnaround time should be extremely efficient. With this, we devised three-pronged approach, which is to make our processes better, which is to scale up with respect to the demand of business, and third and most important is, which is to start talking in business numbers. Hence now every single person has a defined target-based objective and they're reviewed on that. So the performance is reviewed on that, which has already started reaping its results. So now this year, this is a message, and this is a message from the entire team. Whatever we wanted to do, we've done that to prepare ourselves, because all of us are expecting it to be a very steep recovery curve for entire business, for entire economy, and we're ready to support business function. So with this, I guess this is for the first time that we've said that we've done our homework even before the time, ready and very energetic, just waiting to go ahead.
You know, thankfully we are in the right space, and I think all of us should come forward and contribute towards the recovery curve. We should do our bit for the digital transformation of this economy. In the last quarter, we should try and ensure that we do our bit to get out of this corona mess, get businesses and economy back on the track.
The year 2021 marks the 8-year completion of our entrepreneurial journey. If I look back at the year 2012 when we had started, I think we've come back quite a while, but I think there's a long journey way ahead. But last year was one of the toughest years, and I think this is one year which I'll always remember. And also, I'm very happy to announce now we don't have we are not even just pan India, but we've gone international. So we have a very successful rollout in the US and the European market last year. And I'm sure in the coming future,
I'm sure, yeah, we'll expand our teams in multiple locations. You know, we missed covering a lot of our fixed agenda that we had fixed for the year 2020. But yeah, you know, tough times. So yeah, hopefully going ahead, we'll have a much more adventurous ride. Yeah. We have a lot to do. Like Arjun mentioned,
we are super excited.
A lot more offsites, a lot more parties, a lot more work, a lot more geographies. So hopefully, yes, we'll end the year on a high.